Okay, start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
First of all, I want to give thanks to Mr. Ravi sir for this opportunity. From the bottom of my heart, I am here to introduce a topic. The topic name is mobile. But before sharing the introduction of the mobile, I want to give my short intro. So my name is Ayush Rajput. I belong to Farkhabad district, Uttar Pradesh. I reside at Dhulepuin, Fatehgarh. Now I am coming on my topic. The topic name is mobile. So I will discuss this topic into 4 parts. First is introduction, in which I will discuss what is mobile. Second is its body, like I will discuss about advantage of the mobile. Third, I will discuss about the disadvantage of the mobile, and last I will conclude this topic. So let's start from the introduction. So what is mobile? We all know we are using mobile in our daily basis. So mobile is an electronic device. Mobile is a boon of science, and mobile is a portable device. We all know we are depending on the mobile. All our works depends on the mobile. So now I will discuss about the advantage of the mobile. So there are many advantages of the mobile. First is that we have made our life very easy from the mobile. Just like an example, if we want to pay any type of bill, just like mobile bill and electricity bill and TV recharge bill, so we can pay easily through the mobile. We are using net banking. We can pay very easily, and it's very secure. Second is that mobile is also useful for voice calling and video calling. Now we have future of video calling. We can see other person through the mobile. Third is that we can get any news anywhere through the mobile. Just like if any accident or any incident was happened in northern area, so if we are in southern area, we can get this news very easily. Fourth is that we can share our views on the topic. Just like if government issue any policy, so we can share our views through the mobile. And fifth is that we can show ourselves through the YouTube, through the social media like YouTube medium. We can earn money through the mobile. Now I will discuss about the disadvantage of the mobile. So we all know there are 2 possibilities of a coin. First is head, second is tail. So everything has 2 possibilities. First is merit and second is demerit. So there are many disadvantages of the mobile. First is that we all know it affects on our eyes. There are UV rays which emits from the mobile, and it affects our eyes. Second is that cybercrime is occurred day by day. Many people are engaging in the cybercrime. We get a OTP and they ask a OTP and we share our OTP and our account was empty. So it's also occurring nowadays. Third is that it's also a time wasting. Like if we are free, so we include our time on the YouTube source video. If we use YouTube source video, so we don't know how time is spending. So it's also a very disadvantage of the mobile. Fourth is that small children are engaging mobile very quickly. So it's also effects on the children's. Now I will conclude the topic. So we all know it's just depend upon ourselves. Mobile is a boon of science. It's also depend upon self how can we use mobile. So if we use in a correct manner, so it's very helpful. Just like if we use in our educational purpose, so most of the students have cleared like UPSC and JEE exams through the YouTube medium. And it's also a demerit if we use YouTube source videos, so it's very harmful. We spend our time rapidly. So it's just depend upon self how we use it. So it was all about my topic. Thank you for listening to me carefully.